squad! I'm here with Kylie and Aya.
How do you change your...
Like lots. Just guys, just click ready. It doesn't matter. You just don't see your name. Okay.
I don't even know what to click.
Just click the. Okay, there. Ready. Okay, there you go. Okay, now skip. Click skip. There you go. Okay, it's a race. Okay, so you need to get like across the finish line first, obviously, because it's a race. But it's
What song is playing? What the heck?
it throws bombs and everything.
Who's Nippy? Who's Sparky? I can't sprint. Oh.
Oh no.
Wait, what is happening?
Who's Sparky?
I don't know. I'm Nippy. Why am I falling off?
I'm doing this.
What the heck?
Oh my god. Oh no.
I think I need crutches after this.
What do you mean?
Can't even walk. Yo.
Do you know how to run?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well then do that.
Yo.
I know.
I know I can't. I'm glitching. I keep on falling out.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm still alive.
Look how I can't walk wherever I'm going. Can someone like kill me?
Just go slow. Don't
can't.
sprint.
It's glitching. Wait, I think I have to go there.
Mines. I hate mines.
I can't walk straight.
Kylie's slowly but surely getting there. And so is Aya.
Okay, let's see if I can do this.
No! Oh my goodness.
The heck? Wow, I hate those mines.
Last lap, boys. Ah! Sparky! No! Ah! Killing Sparky for skipping part of the track.
Wow.
Ah, damn it. Why are you so rude, Kylie?
Yeah.
Oh, I nearly went over mine.
Guys, help.
We're fighting each other.
I think someone needs... Oh, come on. Just as I made it through.
Yes. Why are you doing this, Kylie? Now you come down. Thank you, you just made me go in front of you, idiot.
Wow.
Damn it.
Okay, now it's a run.
Yeah!
My word.
First round, Dr. Bubbles. Alright. First round. Next round. Who will win? Who will win the next round?
Oh my gosh, I just killed myself.
Let's do
Where
this.
must you run?
Oh! That was close. Oh, damn it. Alright. Guys, do you even know what to do?
Oh no, yes, you have to steal the flag.
What
I have him!
Can't. You go that way, I'll go this way.
Yeah, you threw the freaking thing. Quick!
Can't touch this. Can't touch this. Ah!
The heck?
What? It's three of us are picking up each other.
There's like a threesome in the other way.
Yeah, boys! Who's voting for me? If you're voting for me, give a like. If you're voting for Kylie, give a like. And if you're voting for Aya, don't give a like because he sucks. I'm just joking. Give a like for Aya. Woo!
What? Yes! Why have to kill the black guy always?
Hey. Oh. Both of you guys are black. I have to kill both of you. Damn it!
Oh, come on. No!
Get him out.
Oh, the combos though.
No, this is actually junk. I'm done.
You're done. Don't be done.
Wow, again. Just see I'm losing. Like,
Oh, my favorite level.
What?
This is really hard.
What must you do?
You tap jump to fly.
Oh.
So if you start flying and you go down, so you can't fly again.
I can't even... What the heck?
Oh no.
Yo. Was he trying to get the flag? I absolutely suck at this.
This is horrible. I think this might be the last one.
Depends
The
who
last.
wins it. If you win a job, then
Come on.
Oh no. On the way. Gotcha.
Oh my god. I really don't get this.
No.
Ah, darn it. Oh my word, I keep on falling.
I'm not the best at this. We get this game mode. I can do it. Sorry if there's so much silence, but we're all concentrating, guys. Okay, come on, we gotta do this.
it's too
I
late.
can't fly. Keep on failing.
No. No!
Oh.
Sparky! Sparky wins.
Darn it.
Alright. I reckon this last one. And then you might have to end the video there. Well, we'll see. We'll see. We'll see how quick it is. We'll
Charles,
see how
if
quick
you
it
win
is.
this one, then you win everything.
Okay, well then I'm just gonna wait because I wreck. Told you.
Ah, you. This is economical.
Come for us!
So we all get 3 lives. That's actually pretty jump.
We get 3 lives.
We all get 4 lives and now...
Why? No wonder you never got anywhere with your life.
that was hectic.
I'm lying, Kali. Black life.
Oh.
Why are you stealing my sticky bombs? DJ!
Damn it.
Did I kill you?
Actually, for the moment, I'm actually losing right now. But don't worry, guys. If you're supporting me, I will not fail you. I'll win. I'll win, guys. I'll win. Just not now. Okay. Oh no. How did this come to this? I spawned on it.
Wait, what?
Okay. I need to watch out.
I killed Giles.
Giles is red.
Yeah.
And I just froze myself.
So if you can manage to get Giles, then
Ishmael.
I got you. Bah.
we can win.
Wow. I'm dead.
Bah.
Kali, you're gonna die.
I'm playing it smart here, guys. Don't worry. I'm playing it smart. See? Okay, just get these quick. Sparky's out of the game! Out of the game! That's what happens when you talk smack about me.
Well, Aya is doing nothing.
Yeah! What?
How did
Who came from 0 lives to winning? Oh wait, no. Oh wait, it's me against Aya for the last point.
Aya,
Let's see who wins this.
Yeah, Aya, you have to get the last point.
Oh my goodness, I nearly died there. Oh my goodness.
Oh, shucks.
Oh shucks. Shucks.
No, man. Teamwork, guys.
Oh boy! Woo! Yes! Ah!
Yo.
Dun 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 dun.
Okay, I'm up again.
Most violated player is Nippy with 48 deaths. 48! You know how special that is in 4 rounds? Okay, after this I'll have to end it because this is one of my favorite game modes ever.
We can't even run. Like slow motion.
Yeah! I'm a ballerina. Oops. Right. kill 10 enemies. First one to kill 10 enemies.
Those are like so fun.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, what? What's happening?
It's slow motion, so... Ooh. Oh, no. Goodbye, Sparky!
Please, Oh, wait, what?
How did Sparky get one? No, I got one. Turn around. Change direction. Oh, bye-bye, Nippy.
Gun run.
Do you have the boxing gloves, Giles?
No. I'm just amazing at this game. We called Bomb Squad.
What? Did I just
You jump off? Yeah, you did.
What?
Yo.
I'll give it to you now. I'll give it to you now.
Oh.
There's a girl, lady staying with me from England with my dad, and I changed her password, and I haven't given it to her yet, so I'll give it to her after this video.
Like so slow. Asses. Then eyes.
Bye-bye. Kali's raging here.
Kali
Kali hasn't spoken for so long.
is hungry.
Kali, do you know that you're on a YouTube video? Do you know this? Do you know this stuff?
Kali's not himself when he's hungry.
Oh! Ah!
Ah, yeah, he kicked me.
I didn't kick you.
Yes.
Oh. 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 No. Sparky has 2.
Don't even have one.
That's higher for you.
No, he's back.
Giles are gonna have pizza tonight.
I don't know. Kali's asking if we're gonna have pizza tonight because Kali's Kali. Oh, what? What happened there? What happened there? I don't even know. That was crazy, man.
I have to get at least 1 point.
Oh, can I snap something? No, I can't. You ain't gonna get 1 point, are ya? Told you.
Yo. Wait,
Free
am I-
bombs!
Don't let Giles hit you.
Too late. Thank you so much for watching. That is another episode of Bomb Squad. That's probably going to be the last Bomb Squad video I will do on this channel. So, if you haven't watched any of the other ones, be sure to go and watch them. Because I have like 7. Maybe not 7. Not quite 7. Maybe about, but I don't know how many. But they're really funny. I did with Kai and Aya as well. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.